Okay, how are you doing, everybody? Welcome to another edition of your pronunciation workshop. This is AG Languages, and we are very happy to have you here. How are you doing? You're good? Okay, let's see what do we have for this workshop. Okay, let's answer this question. What's today's class about? Let's see, as usual, we have our topic behind this phonetic transcription. And maybe, Fatima, can you help us with phonetic transcription? Don't worry. Okay, Evelyn, maybe Evelyn, you can help us. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, of course, thank you. Vocabulary and thought.
Vocabulary and thought, right? Vocabulary and thought. Let's see. That's exactly what it is. Vocabulary and thought. That's our topic. And we're going to focus our attention on some consonants. So what else are we going to see? This is class number 9. We're going to focus our attention on all of these consonants. Those are consonant pairs, okay? We're going to talk about that later in the workshop. What else are we going to see? We're going to see the phonetic chart and where these sounds happen, the points of articulation. We are going to see the differences between the voiced consonants and the ones that are voiceless. We have our article, a paragraph, where we are going to get the samples we need. We have our questions, 3 of them, our statements, and we are going to see if you agree or disagree with them. And of course, we have our tongue twister. Okay, so let's talk about our topic, vocabulary and thought. Let's read this paragraph. It says, what do you think about it? Language and thought. Speakers of different languages describe things in different ways. When we describe the location of an object, we choose a frame of reference. If you say that the card and the picture is in front of the house, your frame of reference is another object. In this case, the house. If you say the card is to the left of the house, your frame of reference is yourself. If you describe the car as being to the southwest, you're using the cardinal direction north, south, east, and west. Research has shown that languages seem to have a preferred frame of reference. Okay, so this is our paragraph. And we're going to get some samples from it. Okay, again, we are talking about this. Let me show you. Consonant pairs. Like, for example, we have the p and b sound. They have the same point of articulation. Same point of articulation for p and b, okay? In words like, let me show you. Speakers, preferred, picture, and then b, being, describe, object. So we have the same point of articulation, p, b. Then we have another pair, the f sound and the v sound. In words like frame, reference, if, yourself, different, front of. This time we have the V sound, front of with a vibration. And then finally we have, right? With a vibration in this consonant. So just to highlight this, the ones that are orange are voiceless and the ones that are yellow are voiced. That means there's a vibration when we make this these consonants. So let's move on. And finally, we have this, the represented by theta, like things, north, south, and the one that is voiced. And that's a th sound represented by ed, this symbol here. The, that, this, another, okay? Th and th. The one with a voice is th. You can feel the vibration here. You can feel your vocal cords vibrating. The, that, this, another. And then the other one, no voice, just air coming out. Things, north, south, no vibration for the th sound. Words like ways, when, we, southwest, and west. Okay. We are going to analyze in this class the consonant pairs. We already had a look at them. And now we are going to analyze the chart. What are these? These are interdental consonants, okay? That's what they are. They are called dental fricatives. They happen here in the teeth between your tongue and your frontal upper teeth. And there you go. So we have the which is voiceless, as it was mentioned before, think, and the one that is voiced with vibration, right? These. And if you think about it, all demonstrative adjectives have this same sound. Those, that, this, all of them, the four of them, have this voiced consonant sound. It says the tip of the tongue is between the teeth. So here, right? The tip, only the tip of it. There you go. So here we have our voiced and voiceless sounds, but we're going to focus our attention on this one. Voiced, then, and the voiceless, then. Okay, here we have some examples with both sounds. 33,000, 33,000. Here, not voiced. Those theaters, those theaters. Number 3, threatening weather, threatening weather, with voice. Number 4, birth and death, birth and death. Number 5, let's do something together, okay, with a vibration. All right. So now let's see, what do we have next? Some other examples. Mother, mother, and father, father. Mother and father, voiced. The 5th month. Number 3, it's worth $1,000. Then number 4, my 20th birthday. And 5, a thoughtful author. Okay. All right. So where are we going to find these two sounds? In words with the H, like for example, think or thought, and the demonstrative adjectives like these or those or this. Some exceptions in the words tie. It is not thy or thigh, no, just tie. and Thames. No Thames, ni Thames, Thames. That's it. The letters TH are pronounced as T. Okay. We have some other examples. When words ending in TH have an S ending, the final TH is often dropped. It means we don't do it. And the S ending is lengthened. Okay, so we make it longer, we elongate the sound. So he breathes becomes he breathes, or he breathes. And the earth's resources, voiceless plus voiceless, we need to say the earth's resources, or the earth's resources. Okay. Okay, it says the plural months is almost always pronounced in a simplified way. Months. So whenever you have a TH plus an S, don't overcomplicate things with months because it's complicated. Just say months, months, months. Clothes is almost always pronounced in a simplified way too. Not clothes, because it's difficult to make that change. So you say clothes. That's it. All right. So same point of articulation, bilabial sounds, p and b. They happen here in the lips. That's why they are bilabial. P, b. We have the f and the v sounds. Those are labiodental, which means it happens with your teeth and your lips. To be more precise, that's upper teeth and lower lip. You press it a little bit and you let the air pass through. So that's the voiceless one. If you make a vibration though, it becomes voiced. Like for example, in the word victory or very, okay? Labiodental sounds. Then we have the wa, like in water, okay? All right. So here, let's pay attention to the shape of the mouth. See? Of the mouth. So pack, voiceless. Back, voiced. So my lips are closed. Pack, back. Or the other way around, maybe the word backpack is a good example. Backpack, back, my lips are closed.
Back,
Backpack.
pack,
Now, for the,
backpack,
there you go, backpack. Now for
backpack.
the F and for the V, take a look at this. Upper front teeth, pressing a little bit the lower lip. You let the air pass, that's an F. Fine. Fish. With the V, you need to make a vibration. Same point of articulation. Upper front teeth and lower lip, but you make a vibration, okay? Victory, victory, very, or the two sounds in the word favorite, favorite, and then you round your lips, west, you round your lips. Okay, so here we have our sounds and words like why, bad, very, pat, fairy. And here we have some of the ways or some of the letters in which we are going to pronounce these sounds, like P, pie, open, apple, happy, B, bag, abe, able, rob, robber, with the f sound, fuel, life, of, affect, with V, vote, love, W, west, away, what, and where. All right. If you want to know more about this and other topics, you can visit us here at aglanguages.com. You can also leave a comment on YouTube. We are on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. If you want to have access to our teachers from Spanish speaking countries and English speaking countries, you can contact us. There you go. TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram.